Thank you for considering me your coach. There are two more steps before your journey starts with me. Number one, you need to understand how I work and what do I expect from you. The only if you are convinced with my way of working and you can confirm the expectations I have from you, I can take you forward. So basically, the journey that we do, it happens in 3 stages. And stage 1 is just about familiarizing yourself with the fundamental toolbox of a software developer and using the toolbox to solve simple problems that we can solve at an individual level. More specifically, you will be able to use different programming languages, understand the code written by others, and have an understanding of how things work under the hood. You will also be conversant with a process framework that will help you learn just about anything at ease. So anyone who completes this segment of the journey with me, he or she would become competent in securing an entry-level software developer job. And of course, the eligibility criteria is a consideration in getting the job. And for this, I expect you to invest a minimum of 2 to 3 hours per day. Including the off days. I'm talking about 7 days a week. And this you have to do for roughly around 9 months to cover this segment. And through this segment, we are conducting 1 hour sessions 3 times a week, and all these sessions are getting recorded. So those who join in the middle of the program, they're supposed to watch the previous session recordings and play, pause, resume, repeat, and do all the exercises that are done in the session by yourself. Till you are working through the videos, you will need to report your daily progress, and if you get stuck anywhere, you need to ask for in the group. Post that, you will join once you're done with the videos and you have done all these exercises that were part of it, you need to join the other members in the live sessions. So of course, as with everything else, there are certain things which will not make this work for you, and I would like you to be aware of it, the risks. So first one is comparison. If you ever get trapped in comparing with what you already know, you will not learn. And if you start comparing yourself with others, even that's not going to work. And inconsistencies are there. If you do not work every day for a minimum amount of time, it's not going to work. Third one is hesitation. If you have a question but you do not ask for help in the group, it's not going to work. And the fourth one is assumption. Just by watching, recording, attending sessions and not doing the exercises yourself, if you believe that you haven't learned, it's not going to work. And with this, I can assure that this has worked for pretty much everybody and it's going to work for you. So I think this is where we talk about the stage 1, that ends here. And stage 2 is really about, then comes a stage 2 which is really about developing capabilities to play a critical role in large and complex initiatives. As the stage progresses, you will experience a significant positive shift in your focus, capability to collaborate, the way you communicate and the way you present things. You will find yourself continuously pursuing perfection while delivering significant business value through developing production-grade solutions. You will enhance your capability to pick up just about anything, any technology on the fly. And you will grow in aspects like pairing, optimization, standardization, design analysis, project management, automation, systems design architecture, design principles, patterns, clean code, refactoring, automated testing, code reviews, documentation, web application development, data analytics, and pretty much just about anything, I would say, depending on how long you stay. And of course, you'll also get the opportunity to work with the real clients and who will be using the solutions that you have built, and you should be able to ask them for testimonials, which will be a big plus to your profile. And you will see your personal brand taking shape, and very likely being recognized by influential people in the industry. You will embrace the art of dealing with the complex looking solutions and complex looking situations in your professional and personal life with ease. So indeed, this is never-ending process, but nearly 2 years in this process will make you see a major positive shift in your life. So the process here is entirely discovery based. So I need to really warn you, if you're coming from background who looks for like predefined things, this is not going to be working here. It's going to be a discovery based thing. We learn by working together to solve real world problems for real clients. You will work through a rhythm, and throughout the journey I'll keep introducing various concepts and as and when I feel appropriate. So trust me, we'll never know in advance how we are going to move and learn. All right. This stage is suitable, let me warn you that this is suitable only for the people who have unshakable faith in their mentor. They have patience, they are non-judgmental and work consistently with diligence. Those who are in this stage of the journey will also serve as a contact point for the learners in the prior stage. And this will make them polish their communication skills along with their conceptual understanding. So this is really about the stage 2. And finally, let me talk about the stage 3. So stage 3 is really not for everyone. Of course, being a mentor, we'll keep an eye on the possibilities with different individuals. Selected few will get the opportunity to evolve themselves into partners. And selection is just a matter of, the mentor's discretion. So here, these people in the stage 3, they'll diligently work together to earn the capability to conduct this entire system and eventually run their independent establishments and under a mentor. So where all these establishments later on will connect to each other to learn, and while they are entirely independent on operational, at an administration or operational level. And this is what is going to help us scale and reach out to as many people as possible and bring a positive shift to a large number of people's life. So this is in a nutshell about all the 3 stages of the program, and I hope it excites you. If it does, get back to me and then I'll get back with specifics. Thank you. Bye-bye.